Hello, my fellow NQTs. I am here to make learning simple. This is how you make the vocab pyramid. So here we've got the triangles. You fold them on the flaps of each of the sides. It's really simple. Here I've done all 4 of them. Now, if you are making the pyramid using paper, then you use the PVA. You can use PVA glue. If not, then because I've laminated mine for durability, then you can use a stapler. Now, the pyramid's intent is to help extend children's vocabulary. I've been using it in my classroom. My friends have been using it, and they found it really, really useful to get their child writing more, especially children who can write more, but just don't have that motivation to. The pyramid just gives them those ideas while they're writing, so you don't have to fight your child to write more. Here's the 4th triangle. The laminator just decided to give up on me. But however, if you've got a good laminator, this shouldn't happen. I've had quite a few that are just perfectly fine. So again, stapling it and then pushing it right in the middle, just so you can flip it over and it just becomes that triangle, that pyramid, that you are looking for. And here is the final product. If you are interested in getting the Phonics, the Sentences Activity Pack, the link is in the bio below. You can either join the waitlist, or if it's already out, you can go and have a look at all the benefits. What it mainly is to help parents who are feeling lost, or parents who feel like they don't have enough activities, or parents who feel like their children can do so much more but just aren't pushing themselves. This activity pack gives you activities, tells you what to do with your toddlers. It also helps you get your older children to write more and really extend their sentences. And it's been tried and tested, and it's 10 years of experiences in one pack, ready for you to use and to benefit your child. So, link in the bio. I hope to see you guys soon. Follow me on Instagram. Bye.
Did what?